Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about infig function of Kotlin programming language. Let's get started. You can see on this board, this is the code of the function, especially for infig. You can see this function infig, and you can see in here data class, not class. I hope you understand what's the difference between class and data class, because it has a different meaning. When do you use data class and when do you use class? In general, class only for logic and behavior of object, and for class doesn't have a toString equals health code code automatically, but you have to write this feature. For example, toString parentheses equals parentheses health code parentheses copy. And for data class, it has this function automatically, but for class you have to write this function and then you insert this function into your code. But for data class, it has this function automatically. And the last one, this function about destructuring. For data class, automatically has a destructuring. For example, like this destructuring. Okay, I repeat again. In here, other as a parameter and string as a data type. For this other, so in this function, it means receiving other and turn back object person. If you don't use this function infig, so you have to write function like this: Rian dot with Gosling. You have to carry this dot insert into your code. But if you use this function infig, you don't need to insert in here. You don't need insert dot in here, but you just write with like this, like human language. In here, many terms for this code about the function, method, and parameter. Infig in here as function, and other in here as parameter, and method is the function inside of the class, and call it through object. But for function, you can write function outside of the class. I can write this code so it makes you can imagination. Function can stand alone, but for the method inside of the class, but for the parameter, if the function or method receiving its input, that value is called by parameter. What the function of infig? If you use this infig function, so you can call without the dot and without a parenthesis like this. And for this example, you don't need insert dot in here. This is a like human language. And in here, in this for example, you use the function with, and the other example you can use a function plus combined with and others. And it is an important thing, if you use function infig, you don't insert dot or parentheses, but you can write like human language, Ryan with Gosling. What the function for main function, and then you can write Ryan with Gosling, it was declared before. Or if you write normal, fell real hero Ryan, comma Gosling. But for this function, you can write with on here. And for the example destructuring like this, because person has data class, so it has the function component 1 and component 2. Component 1 is real and component 2 is bin. Component 1 real it has or having property name Ryan, and Bin, it has Gosling as a surname property. I hope you understand about this explanation about the function infig. When you use function infig, if you want to make it simple in your code, and this is like a human language, you can use infig function. If you don't use infig function, you have to write dot or parentheses into your code. But for this, because you use infig function, you don't need to write dot or comma or parentheses. You don't need write those. I think enough for this explanation. If you have question about this infig function of Kotlin programming language, you can write your comment on below in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.